Hey guys, Chuck here. Hey man, I got a question for you. But first, before I ask you, well, I've got two questions. Hang on, man. Now, not to be a jerk and ask you what frequency the FT digital head ops are on, can you point your finger to the screen, Adam? That's all I wonder. Hang on, man. Sorry about that. You digital heads didn't deserve. Well, yes, you did too. Hang on. Okay, now there was a POTA activator while he's still there on this frequency, and I can't hear him anymore, but I can still hear the occasional person calling him. And if I hear them, hang on, I'm going to pause you. My phone's tilting. One moment. Okay, that's better. So, my question to you is, he's transmitting on that frequency. It's tuned perfectly to his activation. Okay? My question to you is, if he were calling CQ and you just answered him, just to have you a QSO, would you tell him he's off frequency? I heard that happen a couple weeks ago. Just off, guy offhanded, oh, by the way, you're a little off frequency, old man. Hey, you know what? If that's the frequency I'm calling CQ on, that's my frequency. How can I be off frequency? And so my question I ask of you, that frequency display that you're looking at right now, does it bother you? Does it make you uncomfortable? Does it make you nervous? Would you be more comfortable if it was like that? Or, I wonder, what about something like this, even? It's a Yaesu. It'll take me a little diddling. Do you ever diddle your Yaesu knob? I do. Constantly. So is that any better? That's 3/4, isn't it? 0.750. Boy, add another zero, and you want to talk about a number that's got some amazing texture. If you've got a little synesthesia going on. But what about this? How does that make you feel? Are you into the zeros? 7287, maybe 7286, right? But you want to see a zero there, man. You like to see a zero, man. Is that you? Or does this work for you? As long as you see a zero after the tenths digit, does that make you feel better, man? If I call CQ there, you gonna tell me I'm off frequency? What say you, man? Are you one of those kinds of hams? Does your frequency display bother you? Mine does. Little honesty with you? Yeah. I'll be honest with you, man. Even though the phone won't focus. Yeah. I'm okay with anything, but 73, be well. I'll be gone for a while doing some restoration videos, and I'm going to do a video on this Yaesu, a critical evaluation of this rig based on how I tend to use it. 73. Hey guys, Chuck here. Let me try that again. I know what I need. I need a sip of my swill. My Pabst Blue Ribbon, 6.5% alcohol. Oh, yes. Let's try this again.